Check whether 5 minus 2 6 4
Sir.
and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means isosceles triangle means
two sides are equal.
yes. Any two sides are equal. That is called isosceles triangle. Okay. The sides are AB, BC, CA. Distance between two points AB. AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, root of 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus 2 whole square. This is equal to root of 1 whole square plus 4 plus 2 whole square, root of 1 plus 6 whole square, root of 36, root of 37.
Sir,
Okay?
question.
Check
Sir,
whether
sir.
yes, page number 168, fourth problem. Check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and minus 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Where isosceles triangle means any two sides are equal. So the sides are AB, BC and CA. Distance between these three sides. First one is AB. AB is equal to 5 minus 2, 6, 4. AB is equal to distance between 2 points formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus formula original minus and coordinate minus, so minus minus plus 4 plus 2 whole square, 1 plus 6 whole square, root of 1 plus 36 is equal to root 37. Okay.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Sir,
No,
no,
sir.
sir.
Noted slowly.
Okay, sir.
Sir, question
Yes.
la
Yes.
आज 4 sir.
Check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices. Vertices of an isosceles triangle.
Sir, AB is equal to the chap.
Next
This
AB
one?
का sir. Sir, next
AB.
BC का sir.
Next BC and CA.
Sir, AB the చెప్పండి సార్.
Yes, AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is equal to x1, this is equal to y1, this is equal to x2, this is equal to y2. x2 minus x1, 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus of minus 2 whole square. Formula original sign is minus formula. Already coordinate minus ఈ minus plus అవుతుంది. Root of 1 square plus 4 plus 2 whole square. This is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 2 means 6. 6 whole square. This is equal to root of 1 plus 36. This is equal to root 37. Okay?
సార్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా సార్?
ఎక్కడ డిఫికల్టీ కొంచెం చెప్పు.
ఏబి దగ్గర
AB is equal to formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay? Root of where x2 means 6. 6 minus x1 means 5. 6 minus 5 whole square plus y2 means replacement 4. 4 original formula my original minus y1 is equal to minus 2. This is equal to minus 2. Root of 6 minus 5, 1 whole square plus 4 minus into minus plus 2 whole square. Root of 1 plus 4 plus 2, 6 whole square is equal to root of 1 plus 36 equal to root 36 plus 1, 37. Okay?
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, come to distance between 2 points in BC. Distance between 2 points BC. B7, B64, C7 minus 2. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. BC is equal to 7 minus 6 whole square minus 2 minus 4 whole square. 1 whole square minus 6 whole square. This is equal to 1 plus 36. This is equal to root 37. Okay?
Okay, sir.
ఓకే సార్.
Noted.
Completed, sir.
బి ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
Yes? x2 minus x1 whole square 7 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus 2 y2 minus 4. Coordinate y1 is positive. So, minus original formula minus x2 minus minus 4 whole square. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 whole square. 1 square means 1 plus power notation is even, so minus is converted plus. See, minus 6 whole square 36. This is equal to root 37. Okay?
సార్ సిఏ హోంవర్క్
Okay?
Okay, sir.
ఓకే సార్ సిఏ హోంవర్క్ చేయమంటారా సార్?
Yes, yes. Come to distance between 2 points, final law side, CA. CA. C7 minus 2, A5 minus 2. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. CA is equal to root of 5 minus 7 whole square plus minus 2, coordinate minus, original minus, minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 minus minus plus 2 whole square. This is equal to minus 2 whole square 4 plus this one 0 square 0. This is equal to root 4.
సార్ x1 దగ్గర 7 వేయకుండా
X2 means 5, X1 means 7. 5 minus 7 whole square. Okay.
ఫస్ట్ x2
First X2.
ఓకే సార్
X2 minus X1 whole square, Y2 minus Y1 whole square. Second is first kallal.
రూట్ 4 2 కస్
మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్
See a distance between 2 points, A1 minus 2, A5 minus 2. CA is equal to root of X2 minus X1, 5 minus 7 whole square plus Y2 minus 2, original formula sign minus Y1 coordinate minus 2 whole square. 5 minus 7, which is bigger, 7. 7 is a sign minus. So, which is 7, how much? 7 minus 5, 2. Minus 2 whole square plus minus 2, minus into minus plus 2. These two are cancellation. Root of minus 2 whole square means 4 plus 0 square 0. This is equal to root 4. Okay.
రూట్ 4 ని ఎక్స్పెండ్ చేయొచ్చేమో సార్.
Of course. 2. Okay.
స్క్వేర్ సార్.
Yes. Root 4 is equal to 2.
completed sir.
Okay. So, check whether isosceles triangle. So, AB is equal to
root 37 sir.
Two sides of a triangle are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to root 37. Therefore, ABC is a isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is
two sides of తర్వాత ఏంటి అది
two sides of triangle. Triangle symbol ఇది. Two sides of triangle are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to root 37. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle.
completed sir.
Yes. Okay.
ఓకే సార్
Okay. Come to sixth problem. Show that following points form A equilateral triangle A0 B minus A0 C0 A root 3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Equilateral triangle means
Three sides are
All sides are equal.
yes, all sides are equal. So same procedure. Distance between 2 points like AB, BC, and CA. First one, distance between 2
Following.
points AB. This is equal to x1, y1, x2, y2. AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is equal to minus a whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. Though these both are negative, so minus a minus 2a plus 0 square 0. This is equal to root 4a square. Square root of 4 2 to the square root of a square a.
సార్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా సార్?
Okay. Distance between 2 points equilateral triangles means all sides are equal. So the three sides they are AB, BC, and CA. So we are find the distance between AB, BC, and CA. Firstly, distance between 2 points AB. A coordinates A0, B coordinates minus A0. Distance between 2 points AB is equal to standard formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Complete square root total. Okay. X2 means minus a. Original formula sign minus a. X1 a minus a whole square plus y2 0 minus y1 0. Minus a both are same symbol minus. So minus a minus 2a, not plus 2a, only minus 2a. Minus 2a whole square plus 0 minus 0 cancellation 0. Root of power notation is even, so minus is changing into plus. 2a whole square 4, 2 square means 4, a whole square a square. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of a square is a. That is equal to a. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sir,
Firstly, yes.
C value ends at 0 root 3 है sir.
C value minus a 0.
Okay, sir.
Firstly, you find the distance between 2 points. Compulsory special focus on minus symbols. Only minus multiplication is compulsory. minus a minus 2a whole square plus 0. 4a square, that is equal to 2a. Okay, come to distance between 2 points like BC. Okay.
Completed, sir.
Completed,
Yes.
sir.
B minus A 0, C 0, A root 3. Root of, tell me,
0 minus
0 minus, yes, minus A whole square. Okay,
plus
minus A whole square plus
a root
A
3
root 3 minus 0.
0
whole square.
whole square
Okay, minus into minus plus
plus
A whole square plus A root 3 whole square.
Whole.
This is equal to A square plus A square into root 3 whole square means what is the value of root 3 whole square?
3, sir.
square
Very good.
cancel.
Yes,
3, sir.
3. Very good. A square plus 3A square.
Yes, sir.
How many A squares?
2, sir.
3A square, 1A square, 4A square.
4
4A square square root 2A. Okay?
okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Already AB value is 2A. BC value కూడా automatically 2A.
సార్ అక్కడ ఏబి అని రాశారు సార్.
Okay, okay.
Completed, sir.
Yes, Mujira.
Sir, no, sir.
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay.
సార్ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్.
Okay. BC is equal to original formula root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, where x2 coordinate 0, 0 minus x2 next minus x1. x1 is minus a. This is equal to minus a in bracket, using bracket compulsory, plus y2 a root 3 minus y1 means 0. Root of minus into minus plus a whole square plus a root 3 whole square. A whole square means a square plus a root 3 whole square means a square into root 3 whole square means root 3. Root 3 whole square means 3. Root of a square plus 3a square. 1a square plus 3a square, that is equal to root 4a square. Square root of 4 is 2. A square root of a square is a. That is equal to a.
ఓకే సార్. కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్.
You compulsory should
Completed,
practice.
sir.
Yes, practice only. Without practice, no use. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Number of sums practice చేయాలి మీరు, లేకపోతే రాదు అది.
బా
Okay, sir.
Okay. Come to distance between 2 points.
ఎక్కడున్నా నడిచేది వచ్చేస్తాను.
Volume mute చేయండి ఎవరు నాగమణి. Distance between 2 points CA. Zero A root 3 A0. CA is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.
Yes, sir.
This is
A
equal
minus 0 whole square. A
to
minus
a
0 whole
minus
square.
0 whole square plus 0 minus a root 3.
Root
Okay.
whole
Yes. Root of a square plus minus a root 3 whole square.
Whole square.
A square plus this is equal to power notation, even so automatical minus plus converted. So a square into 3. This is equal to a square plus 3 square. This is equal to root 4 a square final 2a. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
సార్ లాస్ట్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్.
Okay. A minus yes, okay. A minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus a root 3 whole square according to the formula substitution. Root of a minus 0 means a square plus 0 minus a root 3. 0 is no value, so minus a root 3 whole square. A square plus minus, it is power notation is even so minus is changing into plus. A root 3 whole square means a square into root 3 whole square means 3. This is equal to a square plus 3a square. This is equal to root 4a square. Square root of 4 is 2. A square, square root of a square is a.
Completed, sir.
Yes. So all the sides of triangle are equal. Therefore, ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
All these sides are
Equal.
equal. Therefore, triangle ABC
Yes.
is an equilateral triangle.
Sir, page number ఎంత సార్?
Page number 168. Shanti, mute che volume.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Every sum will be compulsory. You should practice. Practice makes a man's perfect. Without practice, no use. Okay. Number of sums
Okay,
practice.
sir.
Number of sums practice only just for compulsory focus on minus. Okay, come to eighth sum. Show that the points.
Sam, మరి seventh sum.
Yes, sorry. Down sum. Okay, show that the points -7, -3, 5, 10, 15, 8, and 3, -5, taken in order are the corners of a parallelogram. Taken in order are the corners of a parallelogram.
సార్ స్క్రీన్ రావట్లేదు సార్.
Once switch on, just switch off. Say.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. You draw a parallelogram rough sketch. A, B, C, D. -7, -3, 5, 10, 15, 8, 3, -5. Opposite sides are equal. And AC and BD are diagonals. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The sides are AB, BC, CD, and DA. Diagonals AC and BD. Opposite sides AB is equal to CD,
సార్ అదేంటి సార్ డయా?
BC is equal to AD. Okay. Properties of parallelogram is opposite sides are equal. Diagonals are not equal. AC not equal to BD. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Every sum do the before you sketch roughly figure rough sketch. You draw the diagram rough sketch. Compulsory draw a diagram in rough diagram.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్.
Okay, their sides are AB, BC, CD, and DA. Diagonals like AC and BD. Property of parallelogram, main properties opposite sides are equal. AB opposite to CD. AB is equal to CD. BC opposite CD. AD. BC is equal to AD. Diagonals like AC and BD. So AC not equal to BD. This is equal properties of parallelogram. So come to the distance between four sides and two diagonals. Totally 6 sides. Distance between 2.6 sides.
అయిపోయింది సార్.
Okay. Gangotri,
Sir,
okay na?
completed, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
Yes, wait.
No, sir.
Nagasai.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Come to distance between 2 points. AB. A is -7, -3. B is 5, 10. This identification x1, y1, x2, y2. Formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root of 5 minus coordinate minus -7 plus 10 minus coordinate -3. 5 minus into minus plus 7 whole square plus 10 minus into minus plus 3 whole square. This is equal to 5 plus 7, 12 whole square, 13 whole square. This is equal to 12 whole square means 144, 169. This is equal to root of 313.
Okay, sir. Finish.
Okay, any difficulty? Chacha?
సార్ ఒక నిమిషం.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తారా సార్?
okay. Where x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, where x2 is 5. 5, original formula in symbol minus. This is a minus symbol. X1 is minus, coordinate -7, total bracket whole square plus y2 10 minus y1 is -3 whole square 5. Original formula minus ఇచ్చి కోఆర్డినేట్ లో మైనస్ ఇస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా అది సెకండ్ కోఆర్డినేట్ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. 5 plus 7 whole square plus 10 minus into -3 whole square. Root of 5 plus 7 means 12. 12 whole square plus 10 plus 3 means 13 whole square. This is equal to root 12 whole square means 144 plus 13 whole square 169. This is equal to root of total 313.
ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం కావదా సార్?
No. Parallelogram main property ABBC CDD are equal property equal. Opposite sides equal.
సార్
Yes.
ఛార్జింగ్ అయిపోయింది సార్ 2కి వచ్చింది తర్వాత వింటాను సార్ రికార్డ్ చేసి కరెంట్
Okay,
కూడా
okay.
లేదు సార్
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Yes. Next, distance between 2 points BC. Five, 10, 15, 8. BC is root of 15 minus 5 whole square plus 8 minus 10 whole square. 15 minus 5 means 10 whole square. 8 minus 10 minus 2 whole square. 100 plus 4. This is equal to root of 104. Okay?
ఓకే సార్
All coordinates symbol plus, then no problem. If any coordinate will symbol minus, just think once carefully.
Completed, sir.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్
Yes. Come to distance between 2 points. Another side is CD.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Completed, sir.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Is it all of you completed? Is it all of you completed?
Completed, sir. Completed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Come to distance between 2 points CD. C 15, 8. D 3 minus 5. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. CD is equal to root of 3 minus 15 whole square plus minus 5 minus 8 whole square minus 12 whole square plus this is equal to both are same sign, that is equal minus 13 whole square. This is equal power even, so minus converted positive 144 plus 169. This is equal root 313.
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్
Sir, 1 minute. Sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay, slowly.
Completed, sir. Sir, completed, sir.
Yes.
Completed,
Completed,
sir.
sir.
Yes, another one is distance between 2 points, DA.
సార్ ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్
Okay.
నానమ్మా నానమ్మా ఇదిగో.
Jagajesh, Abhishek, volume check.
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్
Yes. Distance between 2 points, DA. Three minus 5 A minus 7 minus 3. This identification x1, y1, x2, y2, dA is equal to dA or AD, anyone equal. Minus 7 minus 3 whole square minus 3 minus this coordinate minus 5 whole square minus 10 whole square minus 3 minus plus 5 whole square. Root of minus 10 means 100
100 plus
plus 2 square. This is equal to 100 plus 4. Root of 104. Okay?
ఓకే సార్
ఫార్ములాలో స్టాండర్డ్ గా మైనస్ ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి కోఆర్డినేట్ లో మైనస్ ఇస్తే కంపల్సరీ కన్వర్టెడ్ ప్లస్. మొత్తం కోఆర్డినేట్స్ అన్ని ప్లస్ అయితే ఒరిజినల్ గా మైనస్ ఒక్కటే ఉంటుంది. కోఆర్డినేట్ లో మైనస్లు ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మాత్రం కంపల్సరీ ప్లస్ అయిపోతుంది.
సార్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పరా సార్?
ఎస్. x2 minus x1 whole square minus 7 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus 3 formula original standard formula in symbol minus y1 is minus 5 whole square minus 7 minus 3 both are same sign. Total sum of the total sign is the same sign. Plus 7 plus 3 plus 10 minus 7 minus 3 minus 10. Minus 10 whole square plus minus 3 minus into minus plus 5 whole square. Converted into this is equal to powers are even. So minus changing into plus. Minus 10 whole square means 10 square means 100 plus minus 3 plus 5. 5 is bigger, 5 is symbol plus. So how much? 5 minus 3, 2. 2 square. This is equal to 100 plus 2 square means 4. Total 104.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Completed. All these sides are the 4 sides AB, BC, CD and DA. Come to 2 diagonals, distance between 2 diagonals like AC and BD. Okay?
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్
Yes. Distance between 2 diagonals. AC minus 7 minus 3. C. 15, 8. Root of 15 minus 7 whole square. 8 minus 3 whole square. 15 minus plus 7 whole square plus 8 minus plus 3 whole square. 22 whole square plus 11 whole square. 22 whole square means 22 into 22.
141.
484 plus 121. This is equal to root of 484 plus 121, 5605. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Completed, sir.
Yes. Last one and least one. Distance between two diagonals BD.
అది పెట్టండి సార్.
సార్ బ్యాక్ పెట్టండి సార్.
Okay.
ఫ్రంట్ పేజ్ పెట్టండి.
Tejaswarrao.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Distance between 2 points BD.
Sir,
5.
two diagonals cut, sir.
Huh?
Two diagonals cut, sir. Diagonal.
Yes. B 510 and D 3 minus 5. Identified x1, y1, x2, y2. BD is equal to standard formula distance between 2 points x2 minus x1 whole square. Firstly, you write x2. Okay. You do not x1. Firstly, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square total square root.
Okay.
3 minus 5 whole square plus minus 5 minus 10 whole square. Root of
సార్
minus, yes,
+10 ఉంది సార్ అక్కడ.
ఎక్కడ
5, 10 B ఈక్వేషన్ సార్. y1
minus 5 minus y1 10.
ఓకే సార్.
Original formula in minus, this one, coordinate only plus.
ఓకే సార్.
Minus 2 whole square plus, those are minus, so minus 15 whole square. This is equal to 2 square 4, 225. This is equal to root 229.
Completed, sir.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
Finish, sir.
Yes. Okay. Parallelogram properties,
సార్
opposite
ఒకసారి
side.
ఉండండి సార్, అది పెట్టండి సార్ బ్యాక్ పేజ్.
Okay, okay.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yes, yes.
Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Okay.
1 minute.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Com-
అయిపోయింది. Okay, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay. Parallelogram main property, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides, what are they?
AC.
Opposite sides, AB is equal to CD.
Okay, sir.
What is the value? AB. Root of
104, sir.
AB.
313, sir.
313, sir.
Or
13,
CD?
sir.
13, sir.
Yes, CD.
Root 313, sir.
AB and CD both are 313, so opposite sides are equal. Okay. Next,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
BC is equal to AD. What is BC and AD?
104, sir. Root 104.
Yes. Diagonals AC
B.
not equal to B. AC
Root
is equal to
Root 129, sir.
1.
Root 605, sir. AC is equals to.
605.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
BD.
BD is equals to root 229.
Root 129, sir.
Okay. AC not equal to BD. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, no, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
సార్ హోంవర్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్ గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టండి సార్.
Yes. All of you on your videos. All of you on your videos. Nagamani, Harini, Anusha, Rajeshwari, Alekia, Dhanush, Aishwarya, yes, Indira, Isaac, Dharma Chakra, Asha, Tejaswara, Shruti, Abhishek, Gayatri, Sushma, Anusha. 1 minute, please open your on your videos. Nagamani, Harini, Raji. Nagamani, Harini. Aishwarya, Indira.
చెప్పండి సార్.
Anusha, Shruti. Gayatri, Anusha. Okay. హరిణి రెస్పాండ్ అవు. స్క్రీన్ మీద ఉన్నది ఒకసారి చదువు.
Distance between diagonals.
వీడియోలో వీడియోలో కనబట్ల. హరిణి
Yes, sir.
వీడియోలో కనిపించు, వీడియోలోకి రా.
Net problem, sir.
Okay. Gangotri, please be responded.
Sir.
Yes, 1 minute. Okay. చదువు గంగోత్రి. అలేఖ్య.
సార్.
చదువు.
Okay, sir. Opposite sides AB is equal to CD is equal to root 313. BC is equal to AC is equal to root 104. Diagonals AC is equal to root 605. BD is equal to root 229. AC is equal to BD not equal. Therefore, AC CD is a parallelogram.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, nice.
Thank
Asha
you, sir.
Nandini. Okay. Asha Nandini. Please be responded.
Opposite sides AB is equal to CD is equal to root 313. BC is equal to AC is equal to root. Diagonals AC is equal to root 605. BD is equal to root 229. AC parallelogram BD. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram.
Yes.
సార్ సారీ సార్ ఫోన్ వచ్చింది సార్ అందుకని సార్.
Okay. Isaac. రెస్పాండ్ అవు. చదువు.
Opposite sides AB is equal to CD is equal to root 313. BC is equal to AC root 104. Diagonals AC is equal to root 605. BD is equal to root 229. AC is equal to BD. ABCD is a parallelogram.
Yes. Okay. హలో
Yes, sir.
హోంవర్క్ నేను గ్రూప్ వాచ్ చేయండి. గ్రూప్ లో పెడతాను నేను హోంవర్క్ ఏం చేయాలన్నది.
ఓకే సార్.
కంపల్సరీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి నా గ్రూప్ లో ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్.
ఎస్టర్డే ఒక 10 మెంబర్స్ 10 మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ మాత్రమే సబ్మిట్ చేసి రిపోర్ట్ చేశారు. మిగతా వాళ్ళు ఎవరు చేయలేదు. స్టిల్ నైట్ 10 o'clock వరకు బాలాజీ కూడా డౌట్స్ క్లారిటీ చేసుకున్నాడు. ఎవ్రీ స్టూడెంట్ కంపల్సరీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి చెప్పిన సమ్స్, లేదంటే నో యూజ్. ఓకే.
Okay, sir.
మ్యాథ్స్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఈజీ, నాట్ డిఫికల్టీ. ఓకేనా?
Okay, sir.
గ్రూప్ లో సమ్స్ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తున్నాం. గ్రూప్ లో ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తున్నాం. గ్రూప్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకోండి జాగ్రత్తగా.
Okay, sir.
ఓకే. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ ఆల్. గుడ్.
సార్